This is called French fries. Mashed potatoes from French fries. We all know how much mashed potatoes cost in Jamaica. So we came up with an easier, more convenient way of making mashed potatoes. We use regular French fries. Just pop them in the pot, boil them and mash it. There we go. Here we go. Boom. A regular bag of high quality fries. Okay, so I'm gonna pop our bag open. Use the cover off the pot. Throw in our French fries, which will soon be mashed potatoes, homemade style. So we'll give it about 15 or 20 minutes to boil. And we'll drain the water and mash. We'll be back. Rice slash mashed potatoes should be ready. Yep, they're all boiled. Yep, ready. Pour off our water.
Only lying here, yeah? Okay? Now play. This here now. Okay?
Okay, so here we go.
Eh?
You can put it back on the fire for a second. Gonna add some milk. Surge. 100% cow's milk. Some anchor butter. Salted New Zealand. I love this butter.
No.
Add some salt. Not too much salt. There we go. Stir your mashed potato fries. Or stir your fries into mashed potato. And there you go, folks. Quick, simple, easy, and very cost efficient. If it's a situation where you have a huge family coming over, you can get a couple bags of fries and you'll have a ton load of mashed potatoes. Do away with the peeling of the potatoes and the quickness. You want to seem like you're using the stuff from factory, but this is actual potato, so it has more of a natural taste. There you go. Mashed potatoes.